Hi guys, this is Desmond coming to you with another daily analysis on cable. So if we just start from the 4-hourly time frame, what we can currently see is that we have now seen that cross between the 200 and the 50 exponential moving average, sort of confirming and giving us additional confluence for sort of a change in momentum and sentiment, moving from the bulls over to the bears. And what we can see yesterday is that price actually did come into test 122.52 and actually violate the support level that we were looking at around 122.93. Now we do have this 4-hourly level of key 4-hourly sort of swing level in this region here, which is a region that I'll be looking at price potentially moving down to. We've also got this trend line in here, which we will take a look at on the hourly time frame. Now, if we drop down to the hourly time frame, what we can see is we're getting a clearer look on how cable has moved over the past few hours. And what we can see, yesterday we were looking at price potentially coming into this region here, holding at the 50 exponential moving average and beneath this 61.8% retracement level and falling lower. And that's exactly what we did see yesterday. So we can see this candlestick coming into test the region, followed by an indecision candlestick, a doji candlestick, and we're seeing a strong engulfing candle breaking the previous candle lows, and price begins to move lower. Price coming to test that that initial sort of support region that we had targeted at around 123.15. Following on from that, we have seen price, violate this 127 extension, and it has since made another retracement. Now, if we bring on the retracement tool, what we can actually see is that from previous swing high to swing low, this is just around close to a 50% retracement. We've got the 50% retracement level around 123.21, and we also have today's intraday pivot level in this region here. So I am looking at this level holding as a potential level of resistance and a level where I will expect sellers to step in. Not to mention, we also have an hourly trend line in this region here, which has held for a number of times. So this could be a level that if price does return to, I will be potentially looking at sellers re-entering the market at this key level. Now, downward targets remain, at around 122.39. Now, this does tie in with today's S1 level and yesterday's S2 level. It is also a 1618 retracement from the previous swing high to swing low. Now, looking at today, I am more focused on selling the pound against the dollar, so I will be focusing on going short down to at least 122.52 with extended targets to around 122.39 and potentially down to 122.14. This is a 127 extension level of the previous swing high to swing low. Now, if price does violate this level and break higher, then my next key level would be R1, which ties in with this swing high, and that is around 123.75. Now, fundamentally, we are seeing, cable weaken. We did have Leicester actually undergoing further lockdown restrictions as COVID cases are surging in the region. So we are seeing pubs, restaurants, and schools remaining closed. So thank you guys for tuning in to today's daily analysis on cable, and do have a great trading day. Thank you.